Well, today in this series we will discuss the topic of event bubbling and capturing, which is also called as trickling. Now, this video is basically a theoretical part. We will not cover any code part inside this. Okay, so let me continue. Event bubbling and capturing are the two ways of event propagation in DOM tree. If we are talking about the DOM tree, so we will refer here the HTML element. Basically, we will use here the nested HTML element. Now, just see this case. In case of event bubbling, if you click onto the child element, suppose you are having the hierarchy of 3 elements: grandparent, parent and child. So if you click the element with the ID of child, it moves up to the hierarchy. So on click child will be invoked, then on click parent will be called, then on click grandparent will be called. Okay, now when we talk about the event capturing, it is just opposite of event bubbling, and inside the event capturing, the order of capturing here is opposite to that of the event bubbling. Here what will happen is grandparent, then parent, then child. When we click onto the grandparent, then hierarchy of capturing goes from top to bottom. Now bubbling के केस में if parent ID be clicked, तो order will be like parent then grandparent. And capturing के केस में if we click the parent ID, तो grandparent then parent. Okay, now here are some important notes that you need to note. We apply add event listener in the first para, event. We apply the event listener on the event. Inside this add event listener, our first parameter will be event, and second parameter will be callback function, and the third parameter is use capture. And here we set its value true or false. If we put the false, it means we want to perform the event bubbling. Then false flag will come into picture. So bubbling, we will do bubbling. But if we keep the third parameter to be true, then we will be doing this capturing. And this is the other case. We can also pass to one or more true or one or more false. Now this is event delegation. Now here I am covering its simple basic definition. It says it is used to handle the event efficiently by attaching a single event listener to a parent element instead of adding multiple listeners to the individual child. Instead of multiple child, we attach the event listener to the parent element.